In this video, I show you how to fix app keeps stopping, app has stopped or app not responding problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, then tap on your profile icon, then tap on Manage Apps and Device, then tap on Updates, tap on Update All. Yes. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps, find specific app if create keep stopping problem. For example, Chrome keeps stopping. Tap on Chrome, tap on Storage and Cache, tap on Manage Space, tap on Clear All Data, tap on Delete. Now search for Google Play Service, tap on Google Play Service, tap on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now I hope that this method fix app stopping or app has stopped problem.